Hey guys, I just filmed one video and I'm just going to go ahead and do another one. I am going to be setting my face with flour. Okay, so you know how I apply my makeup, like, I'm going to use BB cream and my concealer as the broad way, and I'm going to test out this Makeup Essentials I showed you in my last couple videos that I didn't get to try out. I'm going to try out in another video. I'm going to try this out. I'm going to go ahead and skip through the part where I do this stuff, but I'll let you see the flour and this part, okay? I hope y'all like this video because I'm so excited about it. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to put my BB cream on with a brush. I'll just talk to you here and there, but I'm going to go skip through a lot of it, as you know how I apply everything, so. I'm going to set my face and bake my face with flour. I'm just going to see how that goes. And it's going to be so much fun. I'm so excited. And I did a video with showing you this in it, I said like earlier. I don't know if y'all might not saw that one, but I think it was like 2 videos ago. I tried that out. I'm not going to put a lot of BB cream on. I didn't want to use my good foundation because I'm not doing anything today. I'm not going to go nowhere and got nothing planned, you know what I'm saying? Like, I really want to go back out. I want to go back to, like, Family Dollar and, Dollar Tree and see if they have my shade. Because this is not my shade. Like, this is a little light, you know, but it don't have full coverage, but it makes your face look good. I'm going to put a little bit more on after this. Like, I'm going to tell you what made me think about this video. Like, I didn't get it off of nobody, okay? Anyways, I was at work, and I was making biscuits. I was like, oh my god, like, I was like, instead of setting my face with powder, I'm going to set my face with flour. Like, you know, just joking around. But then I'm like, you know what, I'm actually going to do that. Okay. So, I'm going to go ahead and put my concealer on. I'm not going to use a lot. I'm going to go ahead and skip through this part. Y'all know that it comes out in the brush. Okay, guys. I tried to highlight my face with this Why I Got Makeup Essentials, but it's just, I'm not seeing nothing. I'm just not seeing it. Okay, well, that was a doo-doo. Okay, anyways, I'm going to set my face with flour, and I'm going to show you that I'm proving myself this flour. This is flour. I got it in a little bowl that I used to have when I was little. Take a powder brush. And I'm just gonna bake my face. This is like really fun. I always want to know if this is actually going to work. More likely not. But you know, we're going to try it out. I was like, you know what? Because I'm going to let it sit there for a minute. I really like this BB cream. I mean, it's like my natural face, but it also gives a little shimmy. God, my hair looks awful. But I use the Instyler on my hair. Look at those curls. Oh god, I just love it. I should take a selfie right now. When you ain't got no powder, you use flour. When you ain't got no powder, use flour. Okay. I think it says there. Oh my god, I don't know that much was still on my brush. Okay. I got to clean that up. That's my life. I could not find my sponge, so I had to end up using that little foundation brush that I don't like. This one. Okay. I mean, it gives you like that little powdery face look, obviously, but... It don't look too bad. I don't think so. I mean, it looks as normal as any powder would. I mean, I don't know how good it makes your hair, your makeup stay there, but I mean, my face don't look so. I mean, it's smooth. That was really fun to film. That, like, using flour to bake your face and set your makeup is not bad. So if you ever run out of powder, use some flour. Alright guys, that is all for this video. I have had a blast filming this, and I hope you all enjoyed it, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.